Good afternoon, traders. Mr. Golden is on the line, and today we will talk with you about OTE. What is OTE? This is optimal trade entry, which means the best point of entry into the position. Let's get started. Let's go to the TradingView platform. I will visually show you how it should look. Let's imagine that we have such a long movement in the market. Price moves long, pullback, continues long, and so on. That is, what exactly do we not want to do as traders? We don't want to enter a position at this point. So let me mark it with a marker. I'm such an artist. Here it is. That is, we do not want to enter at the peak, because then there is a high probability that our long position will fail, because simply there will be a pullback in the market. Pullback, as in this case. Then what do we want to see, and how to correctly enter a position when the price moves in such a trend? I use the Fibonacci grid for this. With a long movement, we pull it from the bottom to the top. And we see these levels, these values, are the optimal entry point in the position to continue the long value. That is, as we can see, in this case, I drew schematically. The price did not go down here, but if it did go down to 0.618, I would already look for the confirmed chart here on M1 and consider my position in order to continue the long movement. You can see the settings of this Fibonacci grid here. These are all the values you need to use to look for the ideal position entries. Okay, let's see how OTA works in practice and try to find some asset that is currently trending. We will try to wait for a pullback to optimal trading values and enter the position to continue. Right, friends? Let's go. Okay, we will analyze as usual in 15 minutes in order to understand the general trend in the market as a whole, after which we will look for a position and open it on the Pocket Option platform. Today we have a bank holiday. The market may be a little, let's say, not as pretty as usual, but I think we'll find something here. We even have one here, right? Let's switch. We have a long trend. We've all seen it. Everyone saw it. We have this strong movement. And we have a price pullback to OTE values. However, we could enter, you see, clearly at 0.702 and find continuation of positions. Let this schedule be here. Let's open another one. Some other asset, because we're a little late here. Let's see what's happening here. Here we have just consolidation, lateral movement. We are not interested in this, friends. We are not interested. This USD CAD is here for now. Nothing like that either. It's like here, isn't it? Some kind of long movement is emerging. Let's open a 5-minute long trend. There is a pullback here. Our last impulse movement was right here. You can stretch to this impulse. As we can see, the price has returned to OTA and the continuation of the long trend. However, here we are also a little late. I would like to find right now. If we don't find it, we'll take it as it is. Also, we should always remember that there should be a goal in our position. That is, it is not just some pullback, but a pullback in order to achieve further trading values. We continue to search. I think something we will definitely find. Today is just the kind of day when the market is just moving, or mostly sideways, or it has already fulfilled some of its classic goals. Let's continue to look for a position where we can see the most optimal pullback to the OTE zone. Friends, we continue to search ODD, CAD. Basically, we have a long-term movement, the last long-term movement, a rollback to optimal trading values on this asset. We pull the net, so we had a pullback. We go to the platform. and choose a position, which is odd, CAD. Here, we need to do everything quickly, after which we can discuss this. Let's go for 5 minutes. We enter the long. Okay, while the position is working, I will reply soon. Long movement, the last long movement. We pull the grid in the Fibonacci in order to determine OTE, I mean optimal trade entry, as we see the price drops into this zone, and we enter the position with the intention that the price will either update the last local maximum, that is, continue the long order flow, or at least enter the test of this fair value gap of 5 minutes. That is why the expiration time was chosen to be 5 minutes, because the primary target for me is this zone, to which I, in principle, direct the price. And then there are these relatively equal maximums. Let's see how this position ends. Guys, I remind you that the most active of you will get the opportunity to join a live trading session with me personally. So don't hesitate to leave your questions and suggestions in the comments below this video. Well, friends, there are less than 10 seconds until the end of working out our position. As we can see, the position is closed profitably and brings us $900. So this is what the OTE tool gives us. We understand how strong the pullback will be, so we can predict when the pullback will end to enter a position for continuation of the trend and have a high probability of working out. Use this tool and earn money. See you soon at the next lesson. By the way, we also have a Telegram channel where you'll find a lot of valuable information regarding trading. Through this channel, we provide access to our tools, the Golden Bot powered by AI, which delivers 50 to 100 signals per day with an accuracy of approximately 80% plus. A VIP channel where you'll not only receive signals but also detailed analysis of each trade, along with exclusive educational materials. Additionally, we have a premium channel where our core team offers support to help individuals become independent, successful traders. If you prefer not to learn or trade yourself, you can join copy trading and automatically copy our trades. In general, you'll find useful content, and we regularly hold contests and tournaments for our most active subscribers. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, and we wish you good luck and profit.